Hello, San Diego. Home prices have reached a record high once again, and interest rates are stabilizing. This is the May 2024 San Diego housing market update. Let's jump right into the numbers. So, as I shared with you, the median home price in San Diego has hit a new record all-time high of $899,000. That's up 11% from where it was last year. The number of new listings is up slightly over last month. Market time is down to 26 days, a little lower than the previous month. Supply is up just slightly to 1.8 months of supply, and the number of sales up slightly from the prior month at 1307, up 6.4% from the same time last year. Let's take a closer look at prices. And as I shared with you, the median sales price for all homes, houses, and condos included, reached an all-time record high of 899,000, has never been this close to 900,000 as far back as our records go. Take a look at the median sale price for detached homes, also a new record high, 1.1 million. The median price for a detached home in San Diego has also reached a new record high. Let's take a closer look at inventory, and we see that the number of homes on the market, just above 2,000 homes on the market. Look back to the left pre-pandemic. At this time of year, we'd expect at least 5 times as many homes on the market as we have right now. So we've got increasing prices and low inventory. That's going to probably lead to continued increases in prices going forward. Let's take a look at where we are with mortgage rates. Mortgage rates are influenced by both the inflation rate, job creation, and the overall economy. It's also influenced by the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. And uh, the at the beginning of this month, the latest Fed decision was to maintain the target rate at the uh, going rate of 5.415 and a quarter to 5.5%. And what are we looking for going forward? We expect that mortgage rates will drop later this year, but not as far or as fast as was originally projected. Let's take a look at what the mortgage rate projections are, what the experts are saying. Well, we can see that um, looking ahead, by the end of 2024, we expect interest rates to be in the low to mid sixes, going down to the low sixes in the second quarter of 2025. Here's another look at actual and projected mortgage rates in the future. And I've shared this slide before with you, shows demand based on the rate environment. We can see that conventional rates today are about 7%, but putting us somewhere between weak and limited demand. FHA at 6.5%, somewhere between good and limited demand. And then VA rates are 6.375 in a good area of demand. As interest rates go down, we'd expect to see demand go up based on where we find the interest rates going forward. Last month I shared with you, is it better to wait? And I ran the same scenario only based on the current data that we have, the median sale price, should we buy now or buy later? At a purchase price of 899,000, the median home price with a 20% down payment and a 7% mortgage rate, a monthly payment would be $4,784. If we wait and decide to um, uh, wait until next year about this time, we anticipate and have projected a increase in prices of about 5%. That's very conservative, by the way. Down payment of 20%, and we expect the rates to be 6.17 based on the data that I showed you earlier. That monthly payment will be 4,610. So in net, what does that bring us? If we were to make a decision to buy later, we can expect the prices to be about $44,950 higher, and the monthly payment would be about $174 lower. So you'd have a lower payment, but you'd also be potentially giving up $44,950 in improved appreciation. Whether you choose to purchase now or to wait, it's a personal decision based on your financial situation and other factors, but wanted to provide you with the data to help you make good decisions in this kind of this interesting environment that we're in right now. What are we observing in the field for our listings? We're seeing a strong number of showings, multiple offers on all of our listings, and prices are continuing to increase. So if you're curious about what all of this means for your property or what this means to you as a buyer, please feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is here. I'm always here to be of service. Woody Henderson, broker for American Dreams Real Estate. Until next month, take care.